on a little bit of a road trip and we spotted the most unique donut place. It is in an old car wash.
Yeah, it's like the old school car wash that you have next to the convenience store that you just pull in and get a wash. Here you pull in, you can get a donut or a cookie or ice cream.
So we're gonna give it a try. Well, they didn't wash our car, but we did get ice cream. And Keith got a cookie.
All right, I said go big or go home, so I got ice cream and cookies.
Go big and go home because we're on our way home.
That's right. Richard Simmons would not approve.
Oh. Okay, I got the lemonade sherbet. How do you guys say that? Do you say sherbet or sherbet?
I say sherbet.
I always said sherbet, but it's not actually spelled that way. There's no double R there.
You good?
Very refreshing.
And mine's chocolate brownie. So it's chocolate ice cream with brownie in it. And I tasted it already. It was delicious.
So if you're ever in Lansing, Kansas,
come drive through.
drive through the Daylight Donuts.
Get you some treats.
And ice cream and cookies.